Hey, we're gonna try some chicken, green bean with stuffing casserole today. It's pretty good. It's a crock pot. Crock pot. You know, get your chicken, get it in the crock pot. You want to turn it up high. Try cooking this for about 4 hours. I'm gonna salt and pepper. Your chicken. We're gonna season it. There you go. Look in here. Little minced onion. Garlic powder. Some pepper. Alright. Let's plug it in. It will turn on high, let that cook for a minute, and I'll show you the next part we do. Alright, got your chicken in, got it seasoned and on. We'll get a good jar, 18 ounce of chicken gravy. Just pour that right on there like that. Chicken gravy. Chicken broth, 1 can. Okay. We're gonna do a can of cream of mushroom. Okay, just stir that around like that. Try a box of savory herb stovetop stuffing. Herb stovetop stuffing. Put that on top. Our green beans. I'm using the frozen kind. It's going to take about 4 hours to cook all this. The green beans will be nice and done. Yeah, there we go. That'll be pretty good. Let that cook for a while. Then, French fried onions. Some's gonna get mixed in. We're gonna mix some. Put about half in there, save half for when it's done, we'll put on top. So we're gonna let it cook for a while. Put the lid on, got it on high. Now in a couple hours, I'll mix it up and we'll put the lid back on, let it cook for like 4 hours. Make sure our chicken's done, but it's gonna be tender and fall right off, and it's gonna be pretty good. This is a real easy dinner. Get up, you know, put your chicken in there, get it all the recipes I just showed you, and put it on. Don't worry about it for like 4 hours, and come and check it. You want to stir it up real good in 4 hours, and then put the other half of the French fried onions on top. Put the lid back on, and it'll be ready to eat real soon after that. So you'll be able to tell when you stir it up, and the chicken shreds. It's real tender. It's going to fall right apart. And if you want, you could also add some Italian seasoning a little bit. But I put them herbs in, so that herb seasoning with the stovetop tough stuffing, it helps with the seasoning. But other than that, it's a real easy recipe. It's fast. Just put it on, forget it. You could always slim it down if you don't have that much, but 4 people, you know. But this is gonna feed like 6 or 7 of us. Well, it's been 2 hours. 2 hours. I'm just gonna stir it up a little. There's a chicken down there. Let's stir it up. Man, it smells good though. There's the chicken. It's cooking. There's that stuffing. It's coming up. There's that chicken still cooking. We still have 2 hours to go. I'm just stirring it up, giving it a mix. Yeah. All right, let's shred some chicken. Let's shred it a little bit down at the bottom. Make it cook. Let it cook faster. Because I make quite a bit here, so if you don't make as much, you don't have to cook it, but mine is a longer cooking time. Yeah, but it really smells good though. Now, pour the rest of the French fried onions on top. You shouldn't have to stir it no more. Down on top. There it is. All right. We'll taste test it. We'll be back to taste test it and see how we like it. All right, guys, let's try it. That looks good. Chicken. We'll try it out, see how good it is. It smells really good. Chicken green bean casserole is really good. Man, you all like this. You gotta try this. Hey, hit like and subscribe for me and tell people about it. Make some good stuff for dinner. This is for like 7 or 8 people I made, so it took 5 hours. So if you cut down on some of the ingredients, you know, get it done a lot faster, 4 hours. But 5 hours and it tastes really good. So I'll see you guys the next time. All right, see ya.